Alright, we're out here giving an update because Tony said the YouTube's slacking.
We slacking.
So this one's for Tony. We kind of missed everything, but we're putting downpipes in this thing.
Sorry, as always.
Yeah, we had to jack up the motor a bit because these are too big to fit through this slot. That was about the only headache.
The fake cats, man.
It wasn't bad. We've been on it since about 9 a.m.
Yeah.
Oh, maybe I don't know when we started this.
What time is it?
It's 9:30.
Oh, not bad.
We banged her out. They were hot.
What, hot while they're out?
What'd you say?
They were hot while they were out.
Yeah, they were hot when we were coming out, but they're going in nicely. This is a pretty nice car. Beautiful spec. White pipes, white car. All these carbon parts.
Is this white or silver?
Let's say it's a nice white.
Ice white.
It's getting black with all the handprints on it.
Got the cop wheels.
Those will burn out.
This is a competition?
This is a competition. I also don't like this little mount they got here. It's not the funnest. But we're gonna put that back on these little guys. But yeah. Michael put her back on.
Let's try to smack him on.
Smack them on there. We also got this 535. It's getting some speedy boy turbos. 19Ts. Not sure why. This thing just got dropped off here. Igor's really wanting it back. It's been gone out of his life for 2 months, but for some reason that's our problem. But we're gonna get it done for him. It's got the active sway bar, never fun. We're just getting on this, manual swapping it. But as you can see, we have a few little projects that's coming, so it takes some time. We got a Supra out there. We're about to pull that Supra in, get some DRLs in there. So that's what's going on today. Chooch is doing alright. He's in the dark over here. He's in the cool. Chooch, how you doing? Say what's up. Yeah. We'll get back to you when this thing starts up.
You cut it on the weld.
Cut her on the weld?
Never cut on your welds.
Somebody
it does not make it nice to you.
He wants us to replace these clamps, but I don't think it's going to do much for him.
No.
Somebody cut her too short.
We could go around it with some sealant, but feels strange, man.
Mike's putting in a nice blue oil filter cap.
Oh no. What is this?
Not great.
That does not feel great.
Threads are
I'm gonna tell him I can't put this in there.
not as good as the plastic ones. Uses the cage out of plastic one, but see if it torques down.
These are the torques, man.
Torque to 25 Newton meters.
Okay. Is that an 8 or 10?
An 8, maybe? No. I think it's a 9. Matches everything else. Even the windshield washer. This engine bay is pretty sweet.
Yeah, it looks like in pics.
Got the carbon cover for the intercooler. All kinds of stuff. Even intakes.
Oh wow.
Is it a 9?
This is the
Or a 3/8?
probably a 9. Oh my god, dude. Why did they make it 9? Have you ever used a 9?
Not really. Alright, we're doing some DRLs. Mike noticed the right side DRLs.
Fuck.
Already at.
If you didn't know, this car's white underneath.
This car was white. This is the Superman car.
Superman.
Superman car.
Filmed in Cincinnati.
What'd you say?
The movie's being filmed here in Cincinnati.
Oh, okay.
This was one of the prop cars.
Alright. But yeah, we gotta take this off. These covers, this bracket, just to get to this. And we're installing this bundle of wires. This isn't what he sent that we were installing. Haven't really seen these before, but this is for the RGB, so it will be cool. Oracle lighting, FD sponsor. Stuff looks pretty cheap though. This thing.
Straight from the plastic factory.
Yes, sir.
It only takes 30 minutes to get this car on the lift.
It didn't take that long. Took us about 15 minutes. He's got these side skirts on.
Whoa. These are not the right bolts.
Yes, sir. You put those in. It's 2:30. We didn't start at 2 o'clock.
Alright, 15 minutes.
15 minutes, get her on the lift. We're used to about 2 minutes, so seems like a long time.
Oh, fuck the turn signals.
Alright, let's not curse too much, Mike.
Alright, sorry.
Alright, here we are.
If you want to do a turn signal delete.
Get the Oracle lighting kit.
Yeah.
Because the turn signals don't work. I called them back. I should have videotaped it, but they said, oh yeah, there's no signal for the turn signals. It's like, oh, okay, so the turn signals aren't gonna work.
Yeah, I got yeah, they weren't very sure.
Yeah.
They were very confused. Man.
I know, but everybody on the forums, it's just all through CAN bus, so there's no analog signal for the turn signals. So if you get this kit, your turn signals aren't gonna work. We tried to tell him just to let us put it all back to stock, but he really wants these RGBs in there, so
that's what we're doing.
So that's what we're doing.
Right.
Turn signal delete. It's a BMW, Mike said, so they don't use them anyway.
No. Nonsense.
So don't buy the Oracle lighting kit.
Yeah, would not recommend.
No, sir. But we're gonna see how they work when we put them together here.
What's this? Is that factory?
I don't think so. A lot of weird stuff going on.
Alright, wait.
Guess what? It's not.
Tony, turn on them lights real quick.
Alright,
Bet.
Bada beam, bada boom.
There they are.
big loud.
That's what we worked so hard for.
Not very bright.
What do you guys think about that? Worth it?
They're not as bright up here.
Like
No.
down here?
Yeah, up here it's, and if you get down here, it's brighter.
Oh, you're right, Mike.
Fuck. My honest review, don't buy these.
Yeah, I remember.
Maybe turn the key on real quick.
Fire it up then.
Fire it up!
Bro, this is a freaking BMW. The buttons are the same on the seat.
Oh yeah.
Oh wow.
It's all a BMW.
Bro, what the fuck?
It's been shaking for a long time.
Maybe this weekend we'll put in a video if it happens. Supra on a G35 1050 Gen 2 B58 and a 340 Gen 1 on the same turbo. A little less boost, what it says, but it's extra in rear drive. Off of 60 to 160. I might gut it all and put
On
the
a closed
thing on
racing
it.
course.
I'll probably go full bore just in case it's actually fast.
Got to.
That car will be in the fours if it's truly what he says it is.
It was on stock tires. Or stock wheels. I don't know about the tires, but
So we'll see, guys. I hope I take the dub home.
alright.
Took down a few fast cars last weekend.
Hell yeah.
Up to Columbus.
Couple V8s,
Couple
boosted
V8s,
V8s.
boosted V8s, couple bike.
Ain't no
couple
thing.
bikes. Stock motor's still hanging strong, boys.
Big. Alright, we got this behemoth in here. Jeez, oh Pates. She's big, she's black. Is it dark in there, Mike?
It's very dark in here.
Roll up that window. Can't see nothing. Nothing. Even from the front.
It feels like nighttime in here.
Yeah,
It's pretty crazy.
it's dark. She just needs an axle though.
Watch for the door handle.
Watch for the door handle.
I got hit.
Oh no.
Very nasty. One of the worst I've seen.
Nice foam pad here.
It's an Alpina.
It's an Alpina.
100 more horsepower.
Then.
The stock. So.
Oh really? 100 more horsepower?
Or torque, I don't know.
That sounds dangerous.
She's turned up. Expensive bump. Oh, just a lip, see?
Did you feel the axle? No sir. Well, that's good.
Nothing wrong with that.
Oh, some
So-
grease
From the axle?
from the inside. It looks like that. Is it tight? Yeah.
Strange. Oh, it's cool.
Looks like you replaced this one already with the Chinesium.
You couldn't see jack shit out of that thing, could you?
I don't know. There's some fucking spiders in here, boys.
Oh, pardon my
Oh, they're alive too. Oh my god.
Oh my
I
god.
just went right through the web too. Oh, my bad. Yeah, he's not standing up.
You did.
Alright.
Alright.
You see anything fucked up?
Anything major? What about the brakes? You said there's no brakes?
Felt pretty late. Late response on the brake.
She ain't no sports car, is she, Sam?
No, sir. The rotors, I don't. How much more life you think they got? They're getting pretty grooved, bastard.
I'd say throw those things in the garbage.
They're
It looks like
looking
somebody
a-
just pad slapped
looking like a vinyl record.
it. What's this, Mike?
Oh. Well, that's not very tight.
You said it was just at the dealership.
Yeah,
Oh.
this got replaced with a junkyard one.
Damn.
Is that the whole shot?
Maybe that's.
Oh, dude, that's the whole shot.
Oh.
Jeez Louise, it's broken here.
Maybe that's the noise he's hearing.
It's leaking off of the axle. there.
Inside.
Axle looks
there.
alright, other than the strange freeze. Is that grease?
It's
Yeah, it
green.
looks like it.
Yeah. Green.
Green.
The green. The good stuff.
Should we check and see if those valves are bent on that one real quick?
Is there what?
Bent.
Oh, yeah.
Let's just check her out. Let's check out that 4-cylinder real quick. Alright, Mike's gonna get that valve cover off.
Yes.
Boom, bam!
Pop the valve cover out.
Just popping it right off.
My mighty hands.
You already did this.
Bow.
Bow!
Easy
Just
valve
comes
cover
out
out.
right
15
like
minutes.
there. We got the leak down tester already on here. Try to set her at top dead.
Looks pretty top down.
This one looks pretty far off from the locker.
Oh. Oh, yeah.
Let's try to lock her up.
Are we putting this tool on?
Yeah, I think so. Now this chain is a little loose. Oh, it's a little tighter in this position. But it's definitely skipped timing, so we gotta see if the valves are bent. What do you think about that, Wardo? You like 4-cylinders? What about a B48?
No!
B48?
Maybe.
Maybe.
Only because I put it in the Supra.
Huh.
Yeah.
I don't know, that one looks pretty far off.
That does look pretty far off. We got this one ready to be locked down, and this one really far off, so
The hell?
that's no good. And we gotta get that oil line off, I feel like. Or do we not?
No.
Oh,
I
she's
think
good?
so.
Oh yeah.
Just need to go back.
I guess we
No,
need to
this-
unlock that cam and turn her a bit. Whoa! Alright, Mike, she's at top dead.
She's leaking, boys and girls.
No good. Big leak. She's up.
Valves are bent.
Call it a day.
Compression gone.
Pressing gone.